Hi friends, this is Mr. Hauk, and you are working on level 2B and the power goal single and double consonant rule. Make sure that you have this worksheet. I'll give you a second to pause the video and find this. Alright, so I'm going to read this to you, and it basically tells you why this is important. So, words, when you get into 2B, you're working on two-syllable words, and those are words that have two chunks. And you can tell that a word has two separate chunks because, let me make that a little bit bigger, because it's going to have two different vowel sounds. And a one-syllable word is only going to have one vowel sound. So, when you look at two-syllable words, once you figure out, oh, it's a two-syllable word and I need to split it up to make it easier for myself, you have to go about it in ways that follow rules, and this is a very important rule. So when words have two syllables, they can be split in two ways. If the word has one consonant, that's why it's called single consonant. If the word has one consonant in the middle, you split the syllable before the consonant. Before. That's important. Before, not after. The vowel then says the long vowel sound or its name, A, E, I, O, U. So these words were already split up for you. To give you an example, the word braved was split up before the V because there's only one consonant in the middle. So you split the syllable before that consonant. So we have this A, and it's been split off from any other consonant that would come after it. If it is open like that, if it's an open consonant and it has no vowels after it, it's going to say the long vowel sound because it's all alone there. Bray, bray. Now if there was a consonant here, then it would be closed. It would say the short vowel sound, bra, bra. But it's all alone here on the right side, nothing after it. So it's braved, braved. Dry, because it makes the long vowel sound because it's all alone. We split off the part that comes after it. Driving, driving. Skated, skated. Now let's look if the word has two consonants in the middle, especially if they are the twins, if they're the same consonant, like two T's or two N's. You split the syllable between the consonants. So before it was before, now it's between the two consonants. The vowel says its other sound. It's short sound. So here we have words that have two syllables and they split in between two consonants, double consonants. So we have glasses, glasses. And you see how this guy, this vowel, has a consonant. It has a buddy after it that is not cut off from it. So this guy, he had to say his name. He had to say the long vowel sound because he was all alone. This one says the short vowel sound because it is closed. It is closed off by consonants on its left and consonants on its right. Glasses, glasses. Same thing here. Batted, batted. Gutted, gutted. So, with that, you are going to, it says, have your child, which means you, split the syllables and highlight the long vowel sound words. So there's two things it's asking you to do. It's asking you to first split the words, just like we did above, and also highlight or circle the words that are long vowel sounds, the words that have vowels that say their name. So let's do a couple examples. This word, we see it's a two-syllable word because it has two vowel sounds. Then we look, okay, does it have one consonant in the middle or two? It has one, so we are going to do it before that consonant. That's our rule. If there's two consonants, we split between it. If there's one, we do it before it. Now we look, is that vowel by itself? Is it open with no consonant after? And this guy is cut off from the other consonants and vowels. So it's open, and that means it's a long vowel sound. Braved, braved. So you would cut it, you would put a line there, and then you would circle or highlight that word because it's the long vowel sound. Those were the directions. Let's look if we have to highlight or circle this word. We split it in between the twins, in between the two consonants. Now, we have our two syllables here because there's two vowel sounds. And we can see that this guy, this vowel, is not open. He's closed off by a consonant on his right. So he's closed off. This guy was only closed off on one side and it was open on the other side. But he's closed off by a consonant. So he's going to say the short vowel sound for I. Win, ning, winning. So, we are not going to circle it or highlight it because it is a short vowel sound. So you are going to go through the rest of these words and do what I just did. Once you have done that, you're going to take a picture of this paper and you're going to read the words to Seesaw. Once you have done that, you are done. Have an awesome day. Thank you for listening to this long video. I hope you learned so much, and I can't wait to see you move to your next power goal. Have fun reading, class.